In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font size and color in Godaddy. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, you'll want to head over to the Godaddy website. Open your preferred web browser and visit Godaddy's main page, where you will find all their products like domain names, websites, hosting, and various online marketing tools. Once you're there, locate the sign in button on the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your account credentials. If you haven't logged into your account recently, it might be a good idea to have your username and password handy. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Godaddy homepage specifically crafted for managing your products. Here, you'll see an overview of everything you have with Godaddy. From this dashboard, shift your focus to the product section. This location houses all of your Godaddy services in one spot, making it easy to locate and manage your websites. Next, find and select the website you wish to edit. If you manage multiple sites, ensure you select the correct one that requires updating. After selecting the website, you'll see an option to edit it. Click on Edit and this will take you directly into Godaddy's website builder interface. Inside the website builder, look for the theme option. It's located in the navigation panel and should be easy to spot. Clicking on theme opens up a menu on the right hand side that provides you with various customization options. Now you'll focus on the fonts section. This is where the magic happens concerning typography changes on your site. Within fonts, you'll have the flexibility to adjust the font size and even tweak the colors of different text elements across your site. This personalization helps to match your brand's visual identity or create a specific aesthetic appeal you desire for your website visitors. Whether you're aiming for a formal look with serif fonts or something casual with playful script styles, Godaddy's selection has you covered. Remember, after making changes, it's crucial to preview them to see how they look in real time. And once you're satisfied with your adjustments, make sure to save and publish the changes to ensure they reflect live on your website. Congratulations, you've just customized your website's font and colors using Godaddy. By following these steps, you've enhanced your site's visual appearance, ensuring it's both attractive and functional for your visitors. Thanks for watching and happy designing.